Coming back to we have done this one. Coming to fill in the blanks. There is the format called fill in the blanks. So you can have one or more than one blanks here. So you can say, for example, that by two teams consisting of 11 players each. So what you can do is you can create multiple blanks. So if you want to make this a blank, just select this and say create a blank. Now the correct value is 2, and you can specify that if the student how will the student get marks? Will he get marks if the choice matches exactly? If the choice matches ignoring the letter case, that is, even if he writes capital T, capital W, capital O, he will get marks. Choice matches the text, misspelled. So if there's a small spelling mistake, you will accept this. So instead of TWO2, if he writes TO2, etc. So you can kind of choose that. Includes the text. So for example, instead of 2, he writes twos, TWOS. You will say, okay, we will take this and we will give him marks. And it says choice includes the text ignoring the letter case. So if he does TWOS all capital, then also you will give him marks. Okay, so I will leave it at choice matches exactly. And the correct score, correct score, incorrect score, you can decide if you want to give any marks for incorrect score, negative marks, etc. Also, I will create one more blank, make this also blank, where the student knows how many players there in the team. So I'll say create a blank. So once I create a blank, choices matches exactly. Again, I will give 1 mark. Now, again, I can decide whether I will score per blank. That is, he will get 2 marks if he gets both of these correct, or I can leave it like this, that if he gets one of the blanks correct and one of the blanks incorrect, get 1 mark. If he gets both the blanks correct, he will get 2 marks. I'll leave it like this, and I'll say save and exit. So when I do a tryout of this one, what I will see is something like this. So this session is being recorded. After the training, you can request the coordinator of this training, which is Engineer Reis, for a recording of the session. Okay, cricket is played by. He can write here 2 teams consisting of 11 players each. I'll just stop it. So I got 1 mark here because I had not specified 2. I had specified TWO2. So, and as you continue, I see this. Accept. Okay. Now, what I can also do is I can create a question called select a blank. Now you see here, in here there's a small, kind of incorrect framing of the question, that I did not consider the option 11 as in numbers. I just wrote it in words, and even though the student knew the correct answer, he did not get it correct. So in such cases, sometimes where you don't want to penalize the student for all of these things, you can do a drop down list of the in front of the blank to see if the student knows or doesn't know. So let's say again, I will do the same question. Cricket is a game involving 2 teams, each consisting of 11 players. Again, I will create 2 blanks here. I will make this as a blank. When I make it as a blank, it will ask me to write incorrect values. Now here I can say 3, 4, 5. I'll say okay. And here make a blank here. So I'll create a blank here, and here I have the option to specify the incorrect answers for this one. So correct value is 11, incorrect value is, I can see 12, 13, 10. Okay. Now I will give 1 mark for this one and 1 mark. Again, I can decide whether he'll be scored per blank, or he will get a score only if all the questions are correct, if all his answers are correct. So I will leave it like this, and I'll say save and exit. So if I do a tryout here, it is generating an exe for me again for the question. So I mean, the basic thing is that you have a lot of formats available. It'll depend up to your ingenuity how you want to use it. So you see here, now it is giving me these options. So the mistake that I have made in the first one, that is getting eliminated here. That is the user can the student can know the answer, and he doesn't have to be penalized because he wrote in numbers without case, with case, etc., etc. So you can kind of select this, and he can select from here also, that what is the answer, and he submits it. This time you will get marks.